In today's crowded market, traditional marketing just doesn't cut it. Seth Godin's Purple Cow theory says you need to be remarkable in a way that stops people in their tracks. Auxigen helps brainstorm unique ideas for your business that help you differentiate your brand, much like a purple cow in a field of brown cows. In order to rise above the noise, you need products or experiences with a distinct quality that resonates with the target audience, while also being memorable enough to generate buzz and create a competitive advantage. This isn't just about being different for the sake of being different. Purple cows create strategic differentiation and innovation that allows you to deliver value beyond expectations. Becoming a purple cow isn't a one-time event. It's a mindset and a commitment to building a brand that becomes unforgettable in the minds of your audience.